Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel Neha English Hub. How are you friends? I think all are doing well. So today I was thinking I should make a video. Why I'm not making a video? Just I turned on my camera and I started making the video. But still I was thinking in which topic I should make a video. So in no time thought came at my mind. A wonderful topic suggested my mind, so I'm going to explain in front of you. So how do I my English practice? I'm going to describe in my way. So you should also try this. It is really helpful for you to learning this language. What you can do it. There is so many objects are here in your room, in your house. You can see my room. In my room, there is a background. There is some books, shelf, light, bed, curtains, so many things. And in your kitchen, there is a spoon, plate, vessels, so many things. So you can try to describe it. So in today's video, I'm taking the one object is the book. So this is a book. Books are very helpful for us. It gives a knowledge. It makes us confident. It makes us smarter. We can take lot of the knowledge from the books. So I love to reading books whenever I get the free time. So I love to spend my time with the books. Actually, books helps me a lot. The books are the collection of the pages. When we read the book, so we can get lot of the things from the books. Being a learner, I learn many things from the books. We can do many practices from the books. For example, where while reading the book, you can put lot of the words, vocabulary, you can search it and use it in your daily conversation. It is really helpful for you as well. You can try to this. So it would be very helpful for you to become a confident, become a native speaker in this language. It helps a lot. There are so many books. You can choose the books as per your interest. There are many books are available, self-help books, cartoon books, kids books, story books, fictions, non-fiction. So I love to reading the self-help books. So in this way, I do my English practice as well. I read first one paragraph and explain in my ways. So it is really helpful method to learn this language. You should try also like this. And if this real video is really helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.